Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm sharing 3 delicious and healthy recipes with chia seeds. We're making dark chocolate chia hearts, a creamy matcha chia smoothie, and soft banana chia bread. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share the amazing health benefits of chia seeds and some important safety tips you should know.
Let's start with something sweet and healthy: dark chocolate chia hearts. First, melt dark chocolate, 70% or higher, using a double boiler method. Stir in 1 teaspoon of butter until smooth. Lightly grease heart-shaped silicone molds. And fill them halfway with the melted chocolate. Use a cotton swab to coat the sides so the chocolate forms a nice shell. Freeze for about 20 minutes until the chocolate hardens. Meanwhile, let's prepare the chia filling. In a pan, mix 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon honey, and half a cup of milk. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens into a pudding-like texture. Once the chocolate shells are set, pour in the cooled chia pudding. Then freeze for another 10 minutes. Finally, cover the top with more melted chocolate and freeze for 30 minutes. And there you have it. Delicious, antioxidant-rich chocolate chia hearts. Not only are these guilt-free treats, but chia seeds also provide omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber that support digestion, heart health, and keep you full for longer. By the way, if you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss more healthy food ideas. Next up, a cozy and healthy snack: banana chia bread. In a bowl, mash 2 ripe bananas. Add 1/3 cup butter, 1/4 cup honey, 1 egg, 1/2 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 tablespoons chia seeds. Mix well. In a separate bowl, combine the dry ingredients. 1 cup oat flour, half a cup rolled oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Gradually mix the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until smooth. Add some chopped walnuts for crunch. Grease a baking pan. Pour in the batter. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 Fahrenheit, for 30 to 45 minutes. This bread is soft, moist, and naturally sweetened. The combination of oats, bananas, chia seeds, and walnuts makes it a powerhouse of fiber, protein, potassium, and healthy fats. It's perfect for breakfast or a healthy snack, and it will keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. And finally, let's make a refreshing and energizing matcha chia smoothie. In a small bowl, whisk 1 tablespoon matcha powder with a 1/4 cup hot water until smooth. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup milk, and 2 teaspoons honey. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour until it forms a gel-like texture. In another bowl, add the matcha mixture to 2 scoops of ice cream and gently mix with a fork. Now assemble your smoothie. In a glass, layer the matcha mixture. Add fresh fruit slices, banana, peach, and nectarine. Then top with the chia gel. Garnish with a sprinkle of matcha and chia seeds on top. This smoothie is not only beautiful but also packed with benefits. Chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3s, while matcha is rich in antioxidants, boosts metabolism, and gives you clean, sustained energy without the jitters of coffee. Chia seeds are amazing. They support digestion, heart health, bone strength, and give you steady energy. But here's something important. Don't overdo it. Stick to about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day, and always drink enough water. Too much can cause bloating or stomach discomfort. So enjoy these recipes in balance, and let chia fuel your body the healthy way. If you like these recipes, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more delicious healthy food ideas. And tell me in the comments, which recipe will you try first?